The Morgan Report with David Morgan. Discover how to build and protect your wealth at themorganreport.com.
David Morgan of themorganreport.com for the week ending 2 May 2025. Well, the fork in the financial road and the metal most likely to explode. We're standing at a pivotal moment in financial history. 2025 isn't just another year on your calendar. It's a line in the sand, and right now most investors are on the wrong side. On one hand, the system looks like it's just unraveling. Politicians are spending like drunken sailors. Central banks are cornered, and the Trump's new tariff may light the match on what's already a smoldering economy. But on the other hand, global demand is collapsing. Freight volumes are down, consumers are tapped, and manufacturing is rolling over everywhere. So with that background, I want to emphasize that our report just went out this weekend, and one of the main themes is, are we heading into a hyperinflationary depression, or are we in a debt collapse? The answer to that question changes everything. It affects not just whether you should buy gold, but whether you should sell it, whether silver is your best opportunity or your biggest risk, whether your portfolio will ride the next wave or be buried. In our latest report, we dig deep into this fork in the road and what it really means for investors like you, because what's coming next won't be obvious until it's too late. Gold's already made its move. We've seen it break to new highs, and there's a hard truth few want to face. It may have peaked, at least for a while. Meanwhile, silver and platinum, ignored, misunderstood, undervalued, are flashing buy signals. In fact, there's one setup I walked through in this report, one silver ratio, one price level, one trigger point, that if hit, could catapult silver to $50 and beyond, and no one's talking about it yet. Let me ask you this. Do you know what will happen to the treasury market if foreign buyers walk away from the next auction? Do you know how a 6% trailing stop could lock in your gold gains without selling too early? Do you know why platinum could be the single most asymmetric bet in the metal space right now? This isn't theory, it's tactical, it's real, and it is outlined in this month's Morgan Report. In that report, you'll discover why gold may stagnate for the summer, the Trump tariff just triggered, what it just triggered, and why it could send silver soaring. A stealth capital rotation already underway where many don't see it. From sovereign debt to hard assets, this is taking place. My top strategy to lock in gains and raise dry powder without abandoning your core positions, plus how to rebalance into producers, royalties, and metals with the best upside in a flattening economy. Look, we're not in the mania phase yet, but we're getting closer every day. This is the quiet before the superstorm. And what you do now will determine whether you protect your wealth or watch it disappear in a wave of market chaos. Or you can sit back and wait, or you can read what I put together for our members, those who understand that discipline beats drama and strategy beats fear. So here's what to do. Sign up for the Morgan Report. Once you do, you will get up to an hour one-on-one with me to get you started correctly, and you will rest assured that you have preserved at least what you've worked for so far, and maybe capital gains on top of that. This is David Morgan with themorganreport.com, closing out for the first week of May 2025.